Ghanesam Pilar. Today we will work on S7 1200 PLC. This is the TIA portal G15.1. Just right click on it and open. Always you should avoid to open this software by double click on it for the long life of your PC or laptop. Here is the existing projects are there. If you want to open this, you can click on it, or if you want to open a fresh project, then create new project, click on it. And project name, you can give here your project name. I am providing here Tata 12 or whatever your project name. This is the path of your storage of this program, and this is the version HP. You can comment anything in anything of your project as per your requirement, then create. It will take some time, just keep patience. Okay, then you should click on configure a device, then click on add new device. Okay, then three different devices will be appear. Then you should click on controller means PLC. Here we are you can see S7 1200, 1500, 300, 400 and many more, but we should go to S7 1200 CPU. Then we should understand what is the meaning of this code. Here it is written that CPU 1211C SCDC relay means what? 12 means these all are mentioned here. 12 means 1200 series, and 11, 12, 14, 15, 17, many more. Means what? This these two digit what these two digit define the numbers of input output present in the CPU. Okay, and the capacity of module extension module capacity, how many extension module can handle, can accept can accept this CPU. Okay, this SC means then 1211C. C means compact, not the PLCs are two types, modular and compact. C means compact, and SCDC relay. First SC means what? This is the power supply of the CPU of PLC, and this is the input. All inputs will be DC supply, and this RLY means relay. That means output, all outputs will be related. Okay, here in below 12 11 C DC means what? 12 means 1200 series. 11 means this is the this is defining input and output and extension model capacity. C means compact. DC, first DC means power supply of this CPU is DC voltage, and second DC means this is input supply should be DC and output will be DC, and this is transistor type PLC. Okay, then if we will take any one of these for programming. Okay, we are taking CPU 12 C DC means S7 1200 DC transistor type. We are selecting this one. Okay, this one, the firmware version, always you should take more than 4.0 or 4. Something more than 4.0. Your firmware version should be 4. More than 4.0, otherwise you will not you can't communicate with simulation. So we are taking 4.2. Okay, then add, adding will take just some time due to large software and heavy software. Okay, that's why I am always saying that you should avoid to open this software by double click on it. Just right click on it and open. Okay, here is the device. Here is the device, and you can extend here. You can extend here two maximum maximum two extension module, like whatever it may be, input, output, analog or digital, whatever it may be. You can make you can extend maximum two modules. Okay, uh, it's like in 1211C you can't extend your extension module, only in CPU. And in some other modules you can extend more, like up to 7 or up to 8 modules, I up to 8 extension modules. But in 1212C DC you can extend only 2 modules. Okay, let's do a sample program. Just this is the okay, this is the main block or organization block. Okay, just I am taking just two simple. Okay, we are taking I 0.0. This is the smallest I 0.0 and Q 0.0. Okay, and I am taking another I 2.0. Here I am taking another output Q 0.1. Okay, is okay. Then now we are going to compile it. Compile means what? Which is checking, error checking. Okay, this is checking. Okay, then you can tag one. You can change this name tag one from here, and or otherwise you can go here PLC tag. You can see here all tags. You can change here name, like start one, and this is light one. This is light one. Okay, this is start two. This is start two, and this is light. This is light. Okay, enter. Then this is organization block. Then you should compile and start simulation from here. Okay, okay. We are going to minimize this one. No requirement of this. Okay, just it will take some time. As I have told you, this is the last software. Okay, now okay. Now what? Now load. Now loading processing is going on. Okay, then in no action, what you have to do? You have to do here start module, then finish. Okay, now go to online, or you can directly you can click here on monitor mode in this spectral E. Okay, then if you want to modify this will be on instantly. Okay, but this input, as as you can see here in device configuration, what the the physical input present in the physical input present in the IO module, like I 0.0 up to I 0.7, you can't modify in simulation or whatever. You have to, this is not possible to modify here. This is not modify to modify here from the start one. What I have changed this name from PLC chart. But what we have to do for this, from I 0.0 to I 0.7, you have to use the first table. This is not possible like this modify. You are able to modify this one from here, but it is present on CPU, or if this is this physical input. These physical inputs are from I 0.0 to I 0.7. You you can't modify from here, so you have to use a first table from here, and you have to click here, and you have to use is 0.0 from here, and right click on it. First you can here you okay do it yes, and now force is applied to the physical device present, physical input present in the CPU, main CPU. Then this is on, and if you want to off like this is I 2.0 is, which is not present in the main CPU. This is modified, but this is not possible to modify to 0. If you want to modify to 0, or if this is, or if you want to modify it off to be off, then you should go to force table and you should force to off, then it will go to off. Okay, this is now, you can see here, this is now it is off. This off F, this is present, you can see here F in red color, that means this here is applied force. And if you want to release force, go to the force table and right click force and stop forcing. Okay, that now you can watch. Okay, now force is disappeared from. Okay, okay, we'll work on it by tomorrow. Next process, next all other things will be completed by tomorrow. Thank you for watching.